Stop losing power. Try these 3 pull-proof wiring hacks. Method 1. The interlocked knot. Remove about 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7 centimeters of insulation from both wire ends. Form an X with the bare copper cord. Wrap one wire end over the other to create a simple overhand knot in the center. Tightly wrap the remaining tails around the opposite main wire. As a physical anchor, the harder you pull, the tighter it gets. Method 2. The hook and wrap. Separate the small copper strands of each wire into equal parts, forming a V shape. Wrap the edges of the V shape tightly between the 2 wires. Tighten the 2 connections at both ends of the wires to create a secure joint. Method 3. The split-strand interlace. Split the small copper strands of each wire into equal sections, forming a V shape. Push the 2 V shapes into each other so the strands interweave like locking fingers. Take the strands from wire A and wrap them firmly around wire B. Do the same for wire B strands. Joint a final twist with pliers to consolidate the strands into a single, solid bond.